We're getting a first-hand look at some chemical reactions here in the Pro Chopper kitchen. Thanks to Jetpack Jason from Mad Science. We've got our glasses on.
Oh yeah.
We're talking about acids and bases. How can you tell the difference between them?
Sometimes it's kind of hard to tell. So what we do as scientists a lot is use something called an indicator, a pH indicator. It tells us if we have an acid or a base.
Okay.
So since we're talking about indicators, did you know?
No.
This guy right here can be an, yeah, it can.
Cabbage?
It can be an indicator. If you take this, chop it up into some tiny, tiny little pieces, and pour some hot water over it, you end up with something like this.
That looks like grape juice.
It does, but it does not smell like grape juice.
Ooh,
no. But we can use this as an indicator. And so it does some really, really cool things. We're going to pour some of this in here. And then
It's a pretty color.
It is. It's nice purple. And then we're going to add some water to it. Just kind of dilute it down a little bit. And then I'm going to add something to this. This right here is actually something called a base, sodium hydroxide.
Okay.
So it all kind of lies on our pH scale. Okay. That's how we can tell the difference between acids and bases. Bases are high in the pH, 0 through 14. So bases are above 7.
Okay.
And then acids are below 7.
Okay.
Yeah. So if we stick some of this sodium hydroxide right inside of here, we can turn our color here from a purple color. We mix it around a little bit.
That's like magic. It's green.
It is. And I can pour that out.
Oh my goodness. Just like that. So what is that? What is that saying about the pH?
That's telling us that our pH is higher. It's above 7. And a lot of times, the darker the green, the higher the pH.
Ooh, okay.
Okay.
Show us more.
So, oh yeah, I can show you more. So if we go ahead and add actually some of this stuff, this is not what it says it is. This is actually vinegar here. You know, multi-purposing or repurposing our bottles. If we pour some of that inside of there, you can see it changing colors again.
Pink.
To indicate an acid in this case.
Wow.
So we can have more fun with this stuff because, you know, it is science.
Yeah.
We're going to add some more of this here because this is going to be really fun. We can see some color differences. Now, Gina, what I'm going to have you do actually is put a couple of scoops of that right on inside of there. That right there is...
Are you going to tell us what this is? Yeah.
Yeah, it's sodium bicarbonate.
Oh, it stinks.
Yeah, maybe. I think that might actually be... That's probably pretty good like that.
It smells like Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Like,
now it's turning a nice color
like
there.
smoky blue.
Right, and that's another base right here. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to add some of this again. This right here is vinegar.
Okay.
So we're going to add this vinegar to our baking soda solution. I'll let you just go ahead and dump that on in there.
Ooh. Oh! I love it.
It's a fun acid-base volcano. So we had a chemical reaction between our acids and bases, produced a lot of gases. That's what you saw as those bubbles.
Right.
And that's carbon dioxide gas. Remember our dry ice earlier?
Yes.
Same gas. And it all jumbled up inside of there, and we ended up with this, expanding gas right here through chemical reaction.
So interesting.
Yeah.
Jason, you always wow us with your experiments and teach us a lot of things.
Always
all at the same
fun.
time. Thanks for being here.
Well, yeah, thanks for having us.